Hello viewers, today I'll show you my culinary tribute dedicated to my maternal grandfather who owned a restaurant in the Sealdah area of Calcutta. He was very much a Babu Moshai and loved feeding people. I have therefore named this recipe Babu Moshai's Ingreji Breakfast. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 rashers of goat bacon, 2 pre-boiled goat sausages, 1 tomato halved, some sliced mushrooms and a chunk of butter, some sliced white onion, a small bowl of warm baked beans, and 2 slices of bread. Let's begin by heating some oil in a frying pan and begin by frying the goat bacon rashers first. Fry them well on both sides until they are nice and crispy. Add the goat sausages and lightly brown them. Since they are already cooked, it will only take 2 to 3 minutes to brown them and then take them out. In the same pan, add the sliced white onions and fry them till they are translucent and then take them out. It's now time to fry an egg sunny side up. So put it in a frying pan and add the tomato on the side to gently fry for a minute or 2. Turn the tomatoes over and after 2 to 3 minutes take the tomatoes and the eggs out. Then put the butter in the pan and then add the sliced mushrooms in the pan. Add a pinch of curry powder into the pan and then fry for a minute till the mushrooms are done. Now we will fry the bread to soak up all the oils in the pot. The English breakfast is called a fry up for a reason. Once the bread is done, then take them out. Add the warmed baked beans on the large breakfast plate and our beautiful Babu Moshai's Ingreji breakfast is ready to be served. This is my original Ingreji breakfast recipe dedicated to my Dadu who died before my birth. He was a real Babu Moshai, loved food and ended up bankrupting his restaurant business because he liked feeding people for free. We all know that the Babu Moshais of this world are not business minded, but they sure deserve their own Ingreji breakfast. Enjoy!